This car is in from another shop. Cousin Pookie strikes again. Look at this hose right here, guys. I think these Gates hoses, yeah, because we only use Mopar over here. Now the thing is, she having coolant leak after this work been done. If you look at it from this angle, it look like coolant leaking from this outlet valve. But guys, this may be the best argument you're gonna have for using tensioner clamps. They went back in with a worm clamp. Now I haven't put a screwdriver on there to see how tight that is because I'm more interested in finding out exactly where the leak is. In fact, let's go dumpster diving. Let me see if y'all can see. Alright guys, it looks like it's coming from the outer part of that hose. I'm thinking, did they not tighten this right? First I thought it was that bleeder outlet valve, but that might not be the case. Yeah, I got a lot of, oh my goodness, it's not tight. Now I'm gonna tighten it up. If you notice, this hose right here has a tensioner clamp, but they went in with a worm clamp on this one, guys. If it's a plastic valve you're working with, you might want to use tensioner clamps. Alright, stay tuned.